Hello and welcome po sa channel Tantan Santiago po, and for today's video mag-unpack tayo ng isa sa mga bagong gears natin dito, isa sa mga upgrades na pinaabangan ko, and I've been using my old motovlogging camera for quite a while, I think a year or actually magto 2 years na, and it's about time to have an upgrade. So ito na siya, dumating. Ayan. And I think naka-sale sila recently, so I got my request approved by the boss, syempre. So ayan po, unpack natin siya. And by the way, this is the DJI Osmo Action. So kung familiar kayo dun sa dual screen na action cam, yun talaga yung tina-target ko. And kung yung iba nagta-try out pa lang ng Insta360 1X or yung 1R, tayo naman magpapahuli tayo sa pag-unpack ng DJI Osmo Action. Okay, so let's go. Sana hindi kahoy ang laman nito. May karton sa loob, and hopefully hindi brick or kahoy ang laman ng karton. So I'm hoping na this is very legit, and I think it is. Ayan po ang packaging ng Osmo Action na camera by DJI. So ayan po, plain white with a picture of your item inside. Ayan yung side. This is the back, dual screen, HDR 4K video, 11 meters na waterproof. Ayan, kahit wala siyang case, pwede mo siya i-submerge sa tubig. 8 times 1080p, and then 4K, available din siya 4K 60p, and meron siyang tinatawag na rock steady. So yan yung stabilization ni DJI Osmo Action. So for DJI, they call it rock steady. Okay, so meron tayong available app para sa Google, meron din sa Apple, and tapos pwede rin siya gamitin sa Final Cut Pro. Yun nga lang, hindi tayo gumagamit doon, masyado na mahal yun. And ayan yung camera, kasi ito yung inclusions dito sa packaging. There's your Osmo Action, curved adhesive mount battery case, USB Type-C cable, locking screw, quick release base, and a flat adhesive mount. Buksan na natin. Camera, nakabalot ng plastic bag. So inside the box, there's another box, and I think this is where the accessories are. Sabihin natin, curved mount, to flat mount. I think this is the charging cable, and USB to Type-C, locking screw, and then the battery case, and open natin, and there goes our battery inside. And inside the battery case, makikita ninyo meron din siyang slot or lalagyan ng micro SD card. Ayan, so that's a good inclusion for this case. So hindi lang siya basta lalagyan ng battery, and yun. So instead of having two separate compartments, meron ka ng sariling box na pwede mo ilagay yung battery and yung memory card mo as well. And syempre, ang walang kamatayang paperworks. So itong silica gel, pwede mo to ilagay sa helmet bag mo or sa compartment para mabawasan yung moisture, and moisture can actually cause unnecessary or unwanted smell sa helmet natin or sa compartment natin. Alright, so tabi nyo to, huwag nyo tinatapon basta-basta. And let's go proceed with the action camera itself. Yan, so ayan siya. I love the design. So nakakabit na pala yung case niya. As you can see, covered pa. yung lens and yung secondary display dito sa harap. So tanggalin natin. And the other one, hindi natin matatanggal kasi nakabalot sa case eh. So ayan yung outer shell niya, yung case niya. Ayan. Try natin tanggalin. Para matanggal po yung bumper case niya, ayan, aangat nyo lang tong part na to. Ayan. And yun, so matatanggal mo na siya. Yun yung mismong lock niya. Yun. Right. Okay, so ayan yung mismong case niya. And again, hindi mo siya kailangan lagyan ng iba pang case para maging waterproof. So alone by itself, you can submerge this camera or proceed with your ride without having to think na kailangan mo siyang coveran ng waterproofing case. So by its own, pwede mo siyang gamitin without cover, just this one. Okay, so tanggalin din natin yung cover sa likod. Yun. And this one. So ayan po yung front display niya. Here's your camera, yung lens mismo. And I believe meron mga parang pwedeng ilagay dito na UV filter para, for example, sobrang liwanag outdoors, mafi-filter out niya yung ibang liwanag ng araw. Okay? So hahanap din tayo nun. And wala siyang sariling mic or external mic na slot. And wala siyang lalagyan ng external mic. So I believe we will be using a Type-C or a converter here. Ayan. And ito yung main display niya sa likod. Ito yung sa sides. So hindi ko alam kung para saan to, malalaman pa natin. Ito yung lalagyan ng battery and I think this is the lock. Try natin. Oo nga, yun nga yung lock kasi ayun o, it moved. See? So ayan siya. Try natin salpak yung battery. And I was expecting it to have a micro SD card for free, pero for the price, for the sale price na 13,000, pwede na. Gagamitin ko na lang yung lumang memory card ko. So salpak na natin to. Baliktad. Yun. So pag sinalpak mo pala yung camera, magla-lock din yun. Yun yung indicator din. Yan. So para ma-release, yun. Hindi ko alam kung ano to, kung exhaust vent, pero from the looks of it, parang speaker, pero I think sa laki nito, siguro parang exhaust vent to para ma-dissipate yung heat while processing the video inside. Okay. Yun. So we are asked kung anong ating language. So touchscreen siya, ayan, as you can see, very smooth, hindi mo kailangang EDN. Hindi kagaya dun sa luma kong camera, medyo may resistance siya pagka pinipindot. So kailangan mong mas diinan pa. Balik tayo sa English. Yun. Then activate with DJI Mimo. So I think this is for the app. And ginagamit yung phone ko, hindi natin to ma-scan and we will do this later on. Skip 5 times remaining. Okay. Date is October 25, 2020. Yon. And the time is 10:38. Synchronize na natin. 10:38. Gawin natin 10:39 AM. So that's the power button. To power on. Yun. And then record button. Yan, nandito pala yung options. Yan, slow-mo, HDR, photo, video, yun, custom. So pag-aaralan natin yan in time. But for now, unboxing lang po muna tayo. Yan po ang inclusions ng DJI Osmo action camera. Okay. So yan po sila, inclusions. Yan. So from today, expect more clearer, crispier videos using this one. and siguro susubukan ko pa rin gamitin yung luma kong camera as an alternative. Thank you so much for watching mga paps, and sana may natutunan kayong bago. And kung nagbabala kayong mag-start ng pagva-vlog, since naka-sale to ngayon, this is the best action camera for its price na 13,000. Right, so punta lang kayo sa Lazada, sa DJI na store nila doon, and yun, kuha na kayo ng sarili nyong camera, and let's start vlogging. PM nyo ako kung may questions kayo regarding sa setup. Again, this is Tantan Santiago po. Thank you so much for watching. Stay dry and ride safe. Bye!